Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to install Fuse 240 on a Chromebook. This game is exciting and runs smoothly on Chrome OS. Without further ado, let's get started. Before installing Fuse 240, make sure Linux is enabled on your Chromebook. To do this, go to Settings about Chrome OS, then enable it and wait for the installation to complete. Next, we need to download the Fuse 240 game files. After the download is complete, then you open the file, download the file and double-click on the game file. And you copy the game file and paste it into the Linux file.